Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to clone a GitHub repository step by step. So you can download code from GitHub and run it on your own computer. Step 1. Copy the repo link. For that, go to github.com and log in. I've already logged in here. Now go to the GitHub repo you want to clone. On the right, click the green code button. Here you will see three options: HTTPS, SSH, and GitHub CLI. For beginners, let's stick to the HTTPS. Copy the link to your clipboard. Make sure you replace username repository with the actual GitHub username and repository name. Step 2. Open terminal or VS Code. Now open your terminal, or you can also use the built-in terminal in the VS Code. I'll be using the VS Code terminal here. Next, navigate to the folder where you want to keep your project using the cd command. Once you are inside the folder, tap the command. This is the same link we copied earlier. Press enter and Git will now download all the project files onto your computer. Step 3. Open the project and install dependencies. So as you can see, the repository has been cloned. You'll notice a folder with the project name, My App. This folder name comes directly from the GitHub repository name. Go ahead and open that folder in VS Code. If it's a Node.js or React project, you will usually find a package.json file inside. That means you first need to install the dependencies. Just tap the command npm install. After installation, you can start the project with npm start. And if it's a Next.js project, you can run it in development mode with the command npm run dev. By default, Next.js run on localhost 3000 and you will see the Next.js welcome page. And that's it. You've successfully cloned a GitHub repo. Now you can explore, make changes, or even push updates back. If this video helps you, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what would you like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.